Hi guys, ayan, sunog na sunog ako. Sunog na sunog. I'm very sunburn. I got so much sunburn. Look at that. Look at my face, guys. I'm a sunburn. I'll just having a rest here. I'm trying to get a little sleep before our pick up. Before we get pick up by ship, bago kami sunduin ng barko. Tingnan mo. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang ano namin, table namin. Ayan, kagandahan dito kasi meron ka talaga mahihigaan. Hindi ka na mag-ano sa ano, tawag nito, sa buhangin, white sun.